Hello everyone, welcome back to this session. Today I am going to talk about a basic tutorial of MS Office Excel. Here I am working on a document which is provided by MS Office 365. You can see on your screen MS Office 365. If you know about MS Office, MS Office 365 is the latest version of MS Office. Here are some steps, total 10 steps which provide information about basic of Excel. So you can use these steps and practice your Excel. I put the link of this document in description and also in the comment section. So let's begin. Here are first step of add यानी कि sum functions, and then second is fill section, third is split section, and fourth is transpose section. In this video I am going to talk about first, second, third and fourth section. The next video I am talk about other section, sort, filter, table, drop down and others. So let's start our first step. Here the sum functions. Here are some ways to add up numbers in Excel. Select yellow cell. Here the instructions are provided. First instruction is say select yellow cell under the amounts for fruits. Here are fruit and amounts, and select yellow cell which under the amount in fruit section, and type equal to. Second instruction is type equal to sum and select D4 to D7. D4 is the name of this cell and D7 is the name of this cell. Then you can select these cells. So type equal to sum, use bracket and select D4 cell and drag your cursor down to D7 and close the bracket and then press enter. Here you can see the result. When you are done, you will see the result is 170. Then another way to add using a shortcut key, select the yellow cell under the amount for meat. Here are the meat section and amount section. You can enter or select a yellow cell and press. Here you can see fourth instruction alt equal to. You can first select yellow cell and then press alt equal to and then press enter. You can see the result is 140. Then next step is some other function which you can use and add sum and sum if function. Now add only the numbers over 50. Here this instruction says use for sum only those numbers which are equal to or greater than 50. Here are three numbers which is greater than or equal to 50. So let's use this function equal to sum if bracket and select D11 to D15. Here you can select D11 to D15 from dragging your cursor and use comma, inverted comma and less than and greater than which you want to use and press 50 or which criteria you want to use and close the bracket and press enter. You can see the result is 100 and then press enter, then result is 100. Then here a other topic provided where you can use another less than 50, less than 100, less than 40, use other instruction and practice these. I put the link of this document in the comment section and description section, and you can access this PDF and practice your Excel. So you can practice this function. The next step, here more about the sum function. Here some more about the sum function. Here a easy access how you can use sum function. Just like here some amounts in rows, some other rows, you can easily select from drag option, यानी कि you can click on any cell and drag your cursor and you can easily select. Then see in the down, see in the down in your Excel. Here you can see the instructions, select these cells, then in the lower right corner of Excel window look for this, select these cells and see in the status bar. This is called status bar in Excel. Here you can see sum of these numbers and count of these numbers and also the average of these numbers. Here the average of these 4 numbers is 42.5 and total count is 4 and total sum is 170. Here are some other practice which you can practice for your best knowledge, and some other sum if functions which I am discuss in here. Sum if functions you can practice more sum if functions, and here are more information on the web about Excel, about the sum function, sum if function, calculator, training online, and you can click on these links and access these features. So next step, I want to go on the next step. Next step is fill. Here you can see the instruction, save time by filling cell automatically. You can save your time for using fill function. Click the cell with the number. Here our first instruction is click on the 100 number which in yellow section, and see second instruction, rest your cursor on the lower right corner of the cell until it become a cross. Here you can put your cursor on lower right corner of these numbers and until he become cross, then drag down and then you can see the result 100, 110, 120, 130. This feature is called fill. And click, here are 4 instruction, click the yellow cell with the 200. Here click the yellow cell with the 200 and drag right, use this and drag right. You can see the fill function how to use. Here a practice section, click and drag to select these 4 cells and then press Ctrl D. That's the shortcut key for the filling down. You can select and press Ctrl D here and then press Ctrl D. That's the shortcut key for the filling. Ctrl D is the function of, here you can see this shortcut, select these cells and press Ctrl D. Select these cells and press Ctrl D. So please guess what is the shortcut for filling right. So shortcut for filling rights is Ctrl R. Here are some other functions and features are available which you can practice for your best knowledge. So let's go next section. Next section is split. So let's see how split is work. In the cell under first name, type the first name and that are in the email column Nancy, Andy and so on. Here you can see email and first name and Smith. This instruction say you enter first name and last name, and then when you enter in second column this can fill automatically. So let's see how this function work. Here first write first name N-A-N, Nancy, then when you see here in the cell under first name, type the first name. When you see the faded suggestion here and enter, then here type A. When you type A, here the suggestion is now come on the screen. Here you can easily enter and use. Here you can type last name. Last name is here Smith, and then enter. Here you can type second. Then when you write a first character, you can see all suggestion list and press easily enter. Good to know, Ctrl plus E is the shortcut for flash fill. Ctrl plus E is the shortcut for this, doing this. So let's practice how Ctrl plus E work. Ctrl plus E. So you can see the result. Ctrl plus E. You can delete this and first select first and drag down cursor and press Ctrl E. Then you can here practice some other examples and read these instructions for your best practice. And here are some links provided for the information on the web. And so let's go on the next step. Here the transpose section. Transpose section work just like if you want to these numbers and these table, if you want to these tables convert in row to columns and column to row, then transpose help you. Switch data around by transposing it. When you need to rotate column and rows, you transpose them in Excel. Click and drag to select the two rows of cell from item to 20. Select these. Now you all copy the cell using Ctrl C. Then click the yellow cell. On the home tab, click the arrow under the paste button. On the home tab, here are the paste option and click on here in the arrow section, and here you can see the paste special functions, and here the transpose option and click here. You can see your table which in the row is converted in the column. Here the shortcut for the transpose Ctrl Alt plus P. Paste here are the shortcut for Ctrl paste special Ctrl Alt plus B. Here are some other steps you can use. You can Ctrl Alt B. Here you can transpose option. You can search transpose option. If you don't find, click here and go in the Ctrl C, first Ctrl C, and then click here Ctrl Alt B. Here see transpose option, but you don't see transpose option, click here and transpose. You can easily transpose. You can see more instruction here. So in this video I am working for the basic understanding, for your basic understanding for Excel. So I guess this video is perfect for your basic tutorial. So you can practice more for more Excel knowledge. I will come in next video with the sort, filter and tables options. So thank you for watching this video.